Hello guys, my name is Rahul Singh. Again you are with me in the Catia V5. In this class we learn about the multi-section solid. Already we have learned in last two classes with same profile and with the different profiles. Okay, so in this class we'll make it with the help of guide and spine. Okay, so first we have to create one plane. First sketch. I'll make a simple square. Quit. Then I'll take offset plane. Okay, this plane we have taken. Choose this plane, sketch, a small rectangle I will make, exit. Okay, so now we have two planes and two rectangles. Okay, so now we have to give the guidance from this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point, and fourth here also. Okay, now we don't have anything, so now we have to create a spline or curve or line, simple line. Okay, so as a guide, but we have to keep in mind that this line, this line, this line, and this line should be different on the should be different planes. Okay, like first I'll make here one plane. Okay, so what we need to do here, we have to choose one plane. We have to make it here, option is there, with two lines. So first line is this one, second line is this one. So see here one plane has been created. Okay, we'll choose this plane, sketch. Okay, so now if you see, this plane is there and we have to connect this line. Okay, from this line to this line. So normal spline I'll take. See, for better understanding, I'll rotate this one. Okay, why? Because we have to connect this point to this point and this point to this point. Okay, constraint, coincide. Okay, same for here also. Okay, this is okay now. Now again we need to make it other lines. Okay, sorry, this exit first. Okay, then here again. Choose this point, again constraint, right click, coincide. Okay, see, don't confuse with this shapes. Okay, if you have confusion, then slightly rotate the diagram. Okay, then you can better understand. Okay, exit. If you see now, we have this area closed, this area closed, 2 is pending. Okay, now we have to make on this plane. Okay, So now we have to select the plane through two lines. Okay, first line, this is second line. Why it is taking line 1, this one? Okay, then see that plane is there. Okay, now we have to select that plane and sketch. Okay, now we have to touch from this line to that line. Okay, so this line I'll take. Then I'll coincide the points. First point, constraints I'll pick, click, coincide. Okay, like the same for this also. Okay, same thing here downside. I'll rotate something. Okay, I'll choose the same plane, sketch, line, select the point, constraint. See, in this I have a confusion now. Okay, what I will do, I will rotate little bit. Okay, so I'll pick this point, then I'll click. Okay, okay, I will go it from here. Now I'll select this one. This is telling curve sketch 9 is not closed. Input curve must be closed or and planar. Okay, it is telling this one. Okay, we'll do this again. Delete this one. Select this plane, sketch, see it is not coinciding. Why? Because it has taken a wrong thing also. Okay, what we need to do, this you can delete first. Okay, this also you delete. Okay, now you have to, you can take. Okay, okay, so this is now coincided. So now we have all four things. So now see this here, it will ask select a curve, first, second, third and fourth. So see, uh, it can visualize also guide 1, guide 2, guide 3 and guide 4. Okay. Now you can see this is a very good method, and if you can see, this is very difficult to make in other softwares, and with this command we can easily make in this software. See, this curve is different, plane is different, this curve is different, this plane is different, this curve is different, this curve is different. Okay, so all curves are totally different, if you can see. Okay, so this is very unique command, and we can make easily different type of profiles and 3D parts. Okay, so this is very important. Now what we'll do in this command, we'll learn about the spine. Okay, first we'll delete this. We'll make any spine first. With the help of spline I'll make. Okay, now we have to make the planes normal to this point and this point. We have to select the plane, we have to quit first, we have to select the plane, normal to that plane, normal to curve. Okay, one plane created. Now we have to select other point, normal to curve, curve. See, now we have two planes. We have to select first plane and we have to sketch one profile. Here I will make simple circle. Okay, then quit. This plane I'll select. Here I will make rectangle. I'll make it here, then I will coincide this point. Okay, so first the better you will make the rectangle with the center. This type of is there na, this one, centered rectangle. Okay, this will make, and we will coincide this point. Select constraint, this point, coincide. Okay, so now it is better. I'll change the shape also. I will quit then this. Okay, so now we have a profile like this. With same curve, we have one side square, one side circular shape. Okay, then we will select this one. Now sketch, already we have. Okay, now this is spine profile, so spine no selection, so we will give this one sketch. Okay, this is second section. Okay, now this is important that from coupling we should select ratio. Okay, then we'll put OK. See, but in this something is wrong because it has not come through this spine. Okay, so just click on this again. See, spine we have not selected. This was the curve. Okay, then okay. So now you can see this kind of profile is very easy to make from this software. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon also to keep you updated with my live videos. Thank you very much.